Here's another example of a database with two linked tables. I have a zoo database and I've got a table that shows me all my keepers. Here are their names and they have their unique identifying ID. And then I have another table with all the animal information. So you can see I've got all the different species of animal. And over here I've got which keeper is responsible for which animal. So this is the foreign key in this animal table, and in the keeper table it's the primary key. So if I go over to File, Manage, Database, here are my two tables, and I need to set up the relationship that one keeper keeps many animals. So I'm going to go from keeper ID to a field that I've created, keeper responsible, and you can see that I've got one keeper keeps many animals. If we just check the fields here, the keeper ID is a unique value, and in the animal table I've put in a field that I can link the keeper ID to. There it is. So here's the keeper ID being a foreign key in this table, and my animal species is a unique value in this table here. So I've got my two tables, my animals and my keepers. I've got the fields that I need, and the relationship is that one keeper has many animals. So what I'm going to do now, I'll just go onto my animals here, and I've checked that I'm showing all the animals. I'm going to create a layout or a report that just shows some of the fields from these two tables. So I'm going to go View, Layout Mode, and I'm going to create a new layout and report. And what I want to do is to show all the animals that are kept by the different keepers. So I'm going to call the layout Keepers Animals. And I need to think about which table I want to take the records from. If I take the records from the keeper table, then that would be incorrect because I'm trying to show the animals that go with each keeper. Now, to begin with, I'm just going to do this as a table view. And what I want to have on my table is my keeper name. And I think I'll put in the phone extension, and then I would like all the animal species that keeper looks after. And then I can just choose different, I'll just go with classic, and it says I'm finished. So you can see that I've got all my different keepers and I've got all the different animals in. I can just check up there, I've still got 47 animals. And what I can do is I can sort that so that I can sort it. Let's just clear those off there. Let's say I want to sort it on the keeper name, so I'll put that in there. And I can choose whether it's A to Z, which would be this one, or Z to A. So I want to be alphabetical, so I'll press sort. And you can see now I've got all C. Davis's animals, and then I've got J. Thomas's animals, and then M. Jones, Tor's, and so on and so forth. If I wanted to, I could sort them not only on the keeper name, but have a second field, the animal species, and that way all C. Davis's animals would be sorted in alphabetical order. So I'll just keep that ascending order, keep that as ascending order, press sort. And so you can see that this is now, I've got this in alphabetical order, and then within that group I've got the animals sorted in alphabetical order.